Data definition, collections and enum types. Collection types are used as wrappers to Java collections. You can use generic collection or more concrete list or set. In the database, collection is stored as comma-separated IDs, which can lead to problem with value length and search queries. Collection types can be renamed as long as element and collection type stay the same. Apart from collection types, there are map types as well. They can be used as map or as localized attributes. In case of a localized attribute, language type will be used as a key. Both maps and collections are returned as unmodifiable collections. To change them, you will need to create a new collection or map from the existing one. There are two types of enums in Hybris. First type, static enums. They are having options defined in items.xml, generating enum class with such options, and fail with exception when you use value of with something else. Second type is dynamic enums. Dynamic enums can have some options defined in items.xml, but it is not mandatory. And dynamic enums are also generating enum class with defined options. But dynamic enums will not fail with an exception when you use value of with something else. In this case, you will get a new dynamic enum value that can be persisted in the database. Still, for localization, you will need to provide the properties. Both dynamic and static enums are stored in a same enumeration values table, all of them having such common columns as created and modified time, primary key, and pk of the type. For enum attributes, you can set the default value in items.xml using getEnumerationValue method. But this will only work for newly created items. If you decide to delete the declaration of the static enum while having any items holding such enum as a property, you will face an exception when getting such items. That means you will need to clean up such values with code, script, or SQL first. This won't happen with dynamic enums. To wrap up, I will say that dynamic enums are dynamic and flexible indeed. On the other hand, the static enums fit better if your value list is not going to change. That's it for the collection and enum types.